Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see in this last section we've got the OTG connection option. So all you have to do in order to turn it on is to tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active. If you want to, you can turn it off using two different ways. You can do it manually just by tapping on this switcher again, or you can simply wait for 10 minutes, because as you can see we've got this information that it will be automatically turned off whenever not in use for 10 minutes. So it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.